Hey guys, Mike here from Muffler and Brake, and today we got ourselves a new video and a new vehicle. Today we got ourselves a 2016 BMW M4 with a 3.0 6-cylinder twin turbo engine. Now on this one, the customer did not want to lose his sport exhaust, so as you can see here, we still have the factory muffler, but he does have the aftermarket downpipes on there. So he had actually had this thing completely straight piped at first, and he brought it back saying, Mike, it's just a little bit too much, man. But I don't want to lose much of the volume, but I really want to get that tone down. So no problem, man. We went ahead and put, that's right, the Black Widow. This is the Angry Housewife. This is the most aggressive 2-in, 2-out muffler there is that I know of, period. Okay? Of course, we know that on these, like I've always told you before, I really like the way they sound with the German cars. They really give it a nice deep tone, especially on the turbos. You really hear a lot of the spool up. Just really nice, really good. But again, we've got the aftermarket downpipes in the front. We got that Angry Housewife back here. Everything is straight all the way back to the factory muffler, which does have the bypasses on there. So when you open it, you put in Sport Plus and Sport mode. It does open these pretty much all the way. So how does it sound? Is it gonna be too much still? Is it gonna be just enough, or is it gonna be too quiet? Well, let's get it turned on, and we'll turn it on first in the efficient mode, which is eco mode for these cars. We'll go ahead and listen to it, and then we'll put it in Sport Plus Plus so you guys can hear it, okay? Here we go. All right, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and turn it off. We just turned it off right now. Now we're going to go ahead and put it in Sport Plus Plus. Guys, there you have it. Definitely a big difference, but like I said, the biggest issue right here is from when it came in to where it is now is that bass. That Black Widow, again, that's the loudest one, so it's not going to give as much bass as maybe say a Race Venom, but man, it made a huge difference on the car, because before, I'm not gonna lie guys, it sounded an awful lot like it was an extra from a Fast and Furious movie. Very which obviously nobody wants their BMW to sound like that. So anyway, like I said, it really made a big difference. And of course, like you can hear, by keeping that factory muffler, the customer still has something that's loud and aggressive while still being able to get just a little bit more chill whenever he wants. And of course, you guys already know, Black Widow, all tone, no drone, that's their slogan, and that is the truth that we have seen here. So, and like I told you guys, if you guys already know, we don't just specialize in your vehicle. No, we don't just specialize in your vehicle's exhaust. We specialize in your vehicle, meaning brakes, tune-up, suspensions, oil changes, whatever. We got you, especially, obviously, the exhaust. So, if you want your car running right, you gotta go to Magic. And if you want your car sounding right, like this BMW M4 with the Black Widow Angry Housewife 2-in, 2-out muffler and the factory sport exhaust, you gotta come here to Muffler and Brake today.